Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to use commas with adjectives. I will provide an example sentence to demonstrate the conventions of comma use with adjectives, and some quiz questions to check your understanding. By the end of the video, you should have a much better understanding of how and when to use commas with adjectives. When you've watched the video and answered the questions, you can check your answers at monoenglishschool.com. Link in the description below. If you find the video useful, or even enjoy it, please like and comment, and why not subscribe to our channel to see content as we post more. You could also look through more of our materials on our website, monoenglishschool.com. Here is our sentence to demonstrate how to use commas with different types of adjectives. It has large, distinctive black patches around its eyes, over its ears, and across its body. If you have watched our video on commas in lists, this sentence should look familiar. If not, make sure to watch it after completing this video. We are going to look at the first part of the sentence, the part in red. It has large, distinctive black patches. Stripping the sentence back, we have a subject, it, verb, have, and the object, patches. And there are three consecutive adjectives that add to the description of the object. Large, distinctive, and black all pre-modify the noun patches. Pre-modify means that the modifier, in this case the adjectives, appears before the modified word in the sentence. We will look at the three adjectives in reverse order. Using just the adjective closest to the noun in the original sentence, we could create the independent clause, it has black patches. In this independent clause, we have no need for a comma, so one adjective equals no comma. Next, we add distinctive. We now have the independent clause, it has distinctive black patches. There are now two adjectives describing the panda's patches. In this clause, distinctive and black are cumulative adjectives. This means that they are working together in the sense that black adds to the description of the distinctive patches in a cumulative way. Or from an alternative perspective, you could see that distinctive is not modifying patches, but it is modifying the black patches as a single unit of meaning. In other words, the clause is not stating that the panda has distinctive patches that happen to be black, but that the blackness of the patches is why they are distinctive. When adjectives function in this way, we do not use a comma between them. A trick is to check if the same meaning is achieved if you place an and between the two adjectives. If we change our clause to it has distinctive and black patches, our understanding of the patches changes. We no longer know what makes the patches distinctive, and further, it is possible that pandas have two types of patches. One type is distinctive, and the other is black. So again, we should not separate cumulative adjectives with commas. Finally, we can add the third adjective, large. Now, in the independent clause, it has large, distinctive black patches, as well as the cumulative adjectives, distinctive and black. We have a coordinate relationship between the adjectives large and distinctive. This means that they are both of equal importance and that they both independently describe the panda's black patches. We could reword the message in the following way. The panda has black patches that are both large and distinctive. When we use coordinate adjectives, we indicate their independence by separating them with a comma. Again, the trick of using an and comes in useful here. We could use and between the adjectives large and distinctive, as in, it has large and distinctive black patches, without altering the message. When we can do this, we should use the comma. So the clause in blue, it has large, comma, distinctive black patches, is a correctly punctuated clause. So, our commas with adjectives convention. Use commas between coordinate adjectives, but not between cumulative adjectives. Now it's quiz time. Once finished, make sure that you have watched our videos on commas in lists before checking your answers on the website. Good luck! And we finish with a review of the two conventions covered in this video. 1. Use commas between coordinate adjectives, those that are independent but equal. 2. Do not use commas between cumulative adjectives, those that work together to modify a single noun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe before checking your answers.